Beautiful, beautiful coffee stained paper. The look, the texture is great, and it's so easy to create. You can make love letters, art, anything you want out of this lovely paper. And you can't forget about the smell and the crunch. So let's get started. Alrighty now, let's coffee stain some paper. Yay! This is very super easy. At least the way I do it. This coffee is from last night. Just use some old coffee. And pour it into some sort of a pail that's big enough for you to put your paper in. I'm using this drawing pad. It got damaged in the rain and I got all crinkly and buckly, but any paper would do. Line paper, photocopy paper, and even drawing paper. Now what I do is I submerge it and kind of get it in there. Some people do this and bake it in the oven. I really don't do all that. I submerge it and then I let it just air dry. Super easy. I've been wanting to make this video for quite some time because coffee stain paper is the best. Especially when you want to maybe just do little notes for your junk journals or sketches, whatever you want to do with it. It's just a great element. Yep. And that is it, y'all. We're going to do that, rinse and repeat over and over. I have some over here drying. That's Vampy. Hi, Vampy. And there's some there that I have drying already. Here's another still shot. I hope you do try this. It's perfect. Now here's a bonus. A quick little make. I have already glued, matte media, some line paper. Now I'm going to just be inking up around the sides and the creases to make it look really vintagey and old. Now just take one of your favorite stamps. I'm using this one because I want to. Great. Something simple yet elegant. Lovely. I hope that you will be encouraged to make your own coffee stain paper and try this simple recipe. I want to say thank you again for watching the video. And as always, I love YouTube.